In Ableton Basics, you're going to learn the fundamentals of Ableton, which is the software that you'll be using to make all of your music. The purpose of the module is that you learn the interface really well and kind of set a workflow of your own on Ableton. We are going to talk about things like what is the arrangement view, how can you make a live set, what's the difference between audio and MIDI tracks, what are the basic settings and preferences that you will need to make Ableton work the way you want it to work, how to arrange a song inside of Ableton, how to create templates in Ableton so that you can speed up your workflow even more. Basically, in this module, you will learn how to move around Ableton very freely and you'll not get confused or stuck at any point to achieve anything that you think you want to do. So let's dive into our first module, Ableton Basics.